name is Alma Pina, and we're here at Hilltop Gallery. We're going to have our art classes and introduce you to Christmas projects. We haven't been able to be doing our Saturday classes at the Hilltop due to everything that's going in the world, but we're going to take our art to you through YouTube. Today we're going to be doing Christmas trees out of magazines. So I will walk you through all the material you'll be using. And you could use all kinds of magazines, coloring books. You could even use, like we're already going to go to 2021, so you could be using your old calendars. And a nice little thing you could do, see how you have the numbers and everything? Well, we don't want to use that, huh? Because you want your Christmas tree to be all colorful. So you get the colorful part of it and you use this. So this is one thing you could use too, is a calendar. So we'll be using a hot glue gun. You could use, these are going to be for your decorations of your ornaments. You could use old buttons that you have around your house. And we're going to need some scissors because maybe we'll be cutting things. And you could even use stickers, all kinds of stickers that you might have at home. So ribbon, jingle bells, some glue. These could be nice ornaments too, little circles and some pom-poms. So we have all our materials ready, but first what we're gonna do is the whole Christmas tree out of a magazine. The trick is, I'll show you step by step how we're gonna start doing it. So you get a magazine and you always start from the first page, but you're gonna do all pages, okay? You're gonna use all this, so you're gonna do a lot of folding, okay? So get ready, get your hands ready and your fingers. So we're gonna start in the front page, well, the covered page you could say, and you're gonna get and fold it like this. You gotta be very careful to not rip it up here, okay? So you just start folding and then you get the next page. See how colorful? And then you fold it, then you go to the next page and you put a little pressure right here too, so it'll be nicely folded. And you do this, and you're gonna do this over and over until you get to the end. I'll do a couple of them just to show you an example, then I'll give you a little finished one so you can see how it'll look. So just keep on folding and folding and folding. And it starts getting a little shape. See how it looks? Look at, almost like it's looking like a Christmas tree, huh? So you just keep on keeping on. Then, okay. I'm just gonna fold a couple of more and then I'll give you the finished product, well, part of it. See? But you're gonna do all of them, all the pages until the last one, okay? So right now, let me give you, here it is. See, this magazine is all folded. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open it up. See, like a fan, you could say. And see, it looks like a Christmas tree. But now, you could decorate. Now we're gonna start decorating, okay? So, I like this red ornament. This is gonna, well, we should put this at the last. Now the tree always has the star, but we're gonna use a little ornament as last. How about some buttons? How about that, huh? We're gonna use some buttons. So we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue. Be very careful. If your little ones, get some adults to help you because it's pretty hot. I don't want you to get burned. See? There you go. Now we're gonna get some more and you're gonna put them all over, however you want to decorate your tree. It's all your tree. Gets a little sticky there. Okay, another button. And there you go. And I'm just picking whatever button I like the colors. There's another one right there. Then you could get some, how about some pom-poms? How about some pom-poms? We'll get some, let's get some green ones. Glue it on right there. See how nice? And then you could use this Christmas tree as a Christmas gift, or you could put it in the center of your coffee table, on the kitchen table, or even your room. There you go. Now we're gonna use some red ones, red little pom-poms. You just keep on gluing them. All over. Ooh, gotta make this glue. There you go. See? Now, how about, let's see if these are not too big. What do you think? Ooh, that looks pretty. I think that looks nice. Some of this. We're almost getting close to Christmas, so ooh, gotta have your Christmas tree ready. There you go. One more. Let's see. Red one. There you go. See? Then, I don't know. Should I put some more? I think it looks nice, huh? Let's see. How about some bells? Let's see if these are not too heavy for it. Oh, perfect. And you could put as much as you want or as little as you want. It's all up to you what you want to put on your Christmas tree. There you go. Okay, there you go. Another one right there. Ooh, this one's being hard to stay there, huh? There you go. Another one. Up here, why not? There you go. See, now this will be our, you could say our star, and that will be the finale of our Christmas tree. And just let it glue on like that, and voila, there is your Christmas tree, and you're ready for Christmas. Thank you so much.